Good morning, Oklahoma. Thanks for joining us on Cow-Calf Corner. This week, we talk about vaccination programs in beef herds and basically some of the fundamental things that we need to understand about a vaccination program and some of the things that are misunderstood about vaccination programs. We're fortunate to be joined by Dr. Rosslyn Biggs again this week. Rosslyn, what do we need to understand better about vaccines?
Sure. You know, when it comes to vaccination plans, it's important to recognize there is no one-size-fits-all vaccination plan. And, you know, from the veterinary standpoint, we know this. No vaccine is 100% of the time either.
What are the things, the stress, nutrition, whatever, what causes vaccines to not always be 100% effective?
Right. You know, we're in a herd. We're not going to have equal response amongst all cattle in a group even. You know, factors that weigh in there: pregnancy status, nutritional status, age, even environmental conditions. You know, are we dealing with extreme heat or extreme cold? Or they have ongoing illness that may impact their immune systems.
So I'm assuming we need to read those labels and those directions and know what we need to booster based on what age cattle we're giving them to.
Absolutely. We may have customized plans within an operation for each group of cattle. For instance, the replacement heifers may have a different plan than the cow herd. Mm-hmm. Our stockers probably going to have a different plan than calves at side. And so those are components we need to take a look at. Sit down with our veterinarian, create an appointment, whether that's sitting across the kitchen table and lining out what we're going to do for the next year, or go into the clinic and sitting down and reviewing it. Hopefully you've got something already established, but if you don't, you can start from scratch. People always ask, well, they want that recipe, they want that cookie cutter that's going to fit every situation every time. And the answer is always, well, it depends. And it depends upon your specific situation, the type of cattle you have, and a number of other factors.
Yeah, and I am the worst at wanting that silver bullet cure, but anything else we should be reminded of on this topic? You know,
just again, keep your records, have them available, and have them ready to go. Also, one of these things is don't forget to ask if you're bringing in purchases, what their vaccination status is, because you want to look at all of the cattle, the herd type concept for protection against disease.
Rosslyn, thanks for being with us, and thanks to you all for joining us this week.